We are going to talk about stem and leaf diagrams now. What we have to know about stem and leaf diagrams? We use it mostly when we have a lot of data and we don't want to use tables when we organize and record them. I'm sure Mr. Marshall already taught you or mentioned you, but I thought to make sure everyone is clear, I will go through one example before you have to try to work on your own. So here are a lot of marks gained by 30 students. As you can see, there's a lot of different numbers. It's really difficult to work out any answer from this bunch of data. So we use the stem and leaf diagram. The first thing is going to be you have to decide how your stem and leaf diagram will looks like. So the stem, it will be a straight, strong line, okay, as you can see here. And after what you have to do, you have to make sure your stem is going to be any kind of number after the first digit. So the ones is going to be always on the right side. Anything else left over will be on the left side. Now, because our number is a 2-digit number, we have only the tens figures, and you check it what is the smallest and what is the largest number. Smallest number is 40 and the largest number is 81. So this means you need to put the numbers from 4 till 8 on the stem side. Now, the next step is going to be you have to fill up your data on the right side. So how you are going to do, you go to each marks and you write down the missing part. So the first number is 63, so you put next to the 6 a 3. The second number is 58, so next to the 5 you put 8. Now, if you realize that you have a number more than once, don't worry. Write it down please twice. When it's ready, it should look like this. But here we didn't finish because you need to put these numbers on the right side in order from smallest till largest. This is how it should look like your stem and leaf diagram. As you can see here, we had several numbers which occurred more than once. But don't worry, you did the right job. And the last thing what you need to do, you have to give a key for your stem and leaf diagram. Otherwise, people, they won't know, won't understand, won't be able to read it. So I choose 5 and 2 here. And how you write it down, 5-2 equal 52. So now everyone will know each number is, this is 40, this and this number is 44, this number and this number is create 47. I quickly brought up and wrote down for you all of the steps which are important when we draw stem and leaf diagram. Please stop, pause the video, read it, make a note if it helps you, and if still you need extra support, watch the Maths Watch video clip, which is here. And on top of it, I brought you one exam question to make sure you're really clear about how we work out stem and leaf diagrams. Now, this question is already giving you the stem and leaf diagram. It's giving you the key, which is really important. Otherwise, you wouldn't know what we are talking about. So 3 and 1 means 31 centimeter. Now, it's asking how many potato plants are there in the garden. So what you have to do to be able to find out how many of them, you count the numbers which are on the leaf. If you count them all together, it gives you 18. So 18 tomato plants. Write down the height of the tallest tomato. Now the tallest one obviously will be, because the numbers are in order, the largest with the stem, which is 5, and the last on the leaf, so it's 56 centimeter. And the last thing what you have to do, work out the range of the heights. The range is, remember, the smallest number take away, the largest number take away the smallest number. So the largest is 56, take away 23, because now we find the smallest stem and the smallest leaves. So these are the answers, okay? If you need any extra support, feel free to write on this team and I will come back to you as soon as I can.